Okay, welcome to video 6. In this video we're going to talk about links. I'm going to show you how to get one on ClickBank if you don't know, where to get your affiliate link, and I'm also going to show you just how to cloak them real quick. Okay, so if we just start this off, we head over to ClickBank. We're going to head over to the marketplace. You can get your affiliate link from CB Engine as well, by the way, if you're following the same techniques I showed you in video 1. So let's just head into business to business. Just grab the first product and let's use this one. I actually looked at this one in video 1. Okay, so let's explain some of the stuff here. ClickBank nickname. First of all, you need to make an account with ClickBank, and that will be the nickname that they give you. And then this little tracking ID thing here is actually a really useful feature. It means you can add a little ID to the end of the link, and then when you go to your reporting section in your ClickBank account, where it will show you how many times your links have been clicked, what the conversion rate was and stuff like that, it will actually have an individual spot for each individual tracking ID, if that makes sense. So if we called this SB top, yeah. So that would stand for sidebar top. So in the sort of right hand sidebar, we might have a link there, and it might be at the top of the sidebar, and we'd call this link sidebar top. And then when we went to check out which links were doing well and which weren't, and which were getting the most clicks, that would come up separate to the rest of the links. If that makes sense. So basically it allows you to see which links are performing better than others, and it just makes it easier to monitor rather than having one single thing for each individual merchant. You can actually track it down to a single link level. Okay, so all we're going to do now is we're just going to click create, and it's created our link there, and we're just going to close this for a second, and I'm going to show you how to cloak links. Real simple. All we're going to do is we're going to come over here to my desktop. It's my nice background here. And we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to call that recommends. You can call it whatever you want. Go works pretty well as well. We're going to go into that folder, and we're going to create a new text document, and we're going to call that what's the product called? Day trading robot. We'll just call that robot, just for this. So that's been renamed. Then we're going to go in, and we're just going to paste in some code here. You can get this code in the Google Sniper manual. I've put it in there, so you can just copy and paste it from there. And this is the only code you need. And where it says link here, or in the manual, I think it might say something else, but yeah, you just all we're going to do is we're going to head back here, we're going to copy and paste this link, and where it says link here, we are just going to replace that like that, and there you go, and that's all you need to do. Well, and now finally what we need to do is just change this file extension from txt to PHP. Oops. So we're just going to rename, and we're going to call this PHP. For some of you guys, you might not have file extensions enabled, so I'll just show you how to do that as well. All we're going to do is we're going to go into organize, then into folder and search options. So we're in the general tab, we're going to click on the view tab, and then we are just going to go down here, and this hide extensions for known file types. So if you can't see .php and .txt, that will be ticked, and what you want is you want to just untick it like so, press OK, and then it won't hide extensions. .php and .txt are extensions. So then now we're just going to close that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to upload this to the to our web server. and then we can test it out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. Okay, so I'm in my FTP client now, which is FileZilla, which I showed you how to download earlier. And we're just going to scroll down to recommends. Here it is. And you can see I'm in the root directory for the site. So it'll just be, if you've just got one domain on your hosting account, it'll just be /public_HTML, the first, just in there. And if you've got a domain, then it will be the domain name, if you've got multiple domains in the account. This basically, it's the same place where all your files are uploaded, so index.html, all of that stuff. And all we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to click upload, and it's going to upload it to the web server. Okay, it's done that, and now let's go ahead and try it out. So if I bring this down here, perhaps you can see it. Yeah, there we go. So all we're going to do is we're going to type in www.googlesniper.com/recommends/robot, I think they called it .php. I think that was it. So, and this is going to hopefully go to the site, and it did. Pause that. And how do you check to see if this link's working? So it's gone to the site, but you want to make sure that you're going to get credit. So we're just going to go down here. We're going to go to the merchants page. It's loading. And we're going to yeah. And what you want to see here is you want to see affiliate equals your ID, and then if you assigned it a tracking ID, you'll want to see that as well, ideally. So sidebar top for this one. So that's how you, if you see affiliate equals none, then you've done something wrong, and you just need to check over everything. By the way, the recommend, the recommend/robot.php, that is what you'll actually use on your website. So you won't use your affiliate link. When you say click here to check out the product, you'll send them to that link instead, which is the cloaked URL, and then they'll visit that page and be automatically transferred to the merchants, but you just won't see your ugly affiliate link, basically. Okay, so it's a pretty short video just about links and how to cloak them, and I will see you in video 7. Thanks for watching.